Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're out here in beautiful downtown Sanford, Florida. In a neighborhood with a lot of low slope roofs, flat roofs we call them, I guess. I got a roof here that's a tar and gravel. Wanted to go over a few things with tar and gravel. People ask the question about it. Just a couple quick facts about a tar and gravel roof. Tar and gravel roofs go back, man, 100 years in Florida. Obviously they were used because the winds and hurricane stuff, the lower the slope of the roof, the less possibility there is of wind damage. Back in the day, they would use a sheet of some sort of modified as a base sheet, sometimes 2 or 3. Then they would actually use hot tar. They would mop hot tar onto the roof and then put the gravel on top. Some of the problems you have with this is, first of all, the weight. There's a lot of weight involved in this tar and gravel roof. Another problem we have with it is it's very difficult to repair. There's not an easy way to repair this. And also, tar and gravel roofs are really prone to mold. It's kind of 3 of the negatives to it. One of the big negatives also is you get an older house like this and you want to put heat on it for tar and gravel. There's a lot of liability, a lot of problems with putting heat on this roof with the hot tar. It's just not a viable solution any longer. The new 2-ply or 3-ply modified bitumen is the way to go, which is what we're gonna do on this roof. But I just wanna show you some spots. When you see the exposed backing and underlayment like that, the fiberglass cracking, this roof is way beyond its use. You can see at one time it had a leak because there's a tarp up here. She wanted to put a shingle roof on this, but unfortunately in Florida, our code requires a 212 pitch minimum to do a shingle roof, which doesn't qualify. This is a 1.5 pitch. So we're gonna have to come back with a modified bitumen, but that's okay. We'll get rid of this tar and gravel. The removal of tar and gravel is not as difficult as it may look or sound. This stuff will actually rip off in sheets, and the tar and gravel, you kind of just take big chunks of it, slide it right off the edge of this into the dump trailer. In some cases, you can get a big snow shovel and a bucket and scoop up the gravel. There's a lot of loose gravel here. It's not as difficult as it looks. Getting rid of tar and gravel roofs is a daily occurrence for us out here, especially in this area of Sanford. These roofs, nobody's doing tar and gravel now. There's a couple companies, I guess, that would do it, but if you see an old tar and gravel roof, you're guaranteed this roof's 25, 30 years old. Pointers here on tar and gravel roofs. Once again, I'm Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day.